Everybody tells you that AI is the secret to making money, but no one tells you how to do it as a teen. So today I'm revealing 5 secret AI hacks that you can do from your laptop to make money on Amazon. It only takes 15 minutes, and with AI now, it's easier than ever. Now you might be wondering if this is even legit because it low-key sounds too good to be true. But it's actually through KDP, an Amazon official company, that we're able to do this. We're going to be designing low-content books, which are basically like coloring books or journals, and uploading them to KDP. Then the book you create will be available for customers to purchase on Amazon, and whenever they purchase it, Amazon will print the book and ship it to the customer without you having to do anything. If you've been on my channel for a while, you know that this is one of my favorite side hustles. This is by far one of the best ways you can make passive income as a busy student. I've broken it down into 5 steps: research, create, and upload. Hi, I'm Lulu, and welcome to another episode of the How to Make Money as a Teen series, where I teach Gen Z how to become financially free and become the best version of yourself. So subscribe down below to join our amazing community. We're gonna start with phase 1, which is research. Research can make or break your success. It is absolutely vital that you use a good research tool. My personal favorite is Bookbolt. They are an all-in-one platform built for this exact side hustle. I literally would not do the side hustle without them. You can sign up down below for free, and I love them so much that I got a code for you guys in case you do want to upgrade to one of their paid plans. My code Lulu20 will give you 20% off. It's gonna be $9.99, but with my code it is $7.99. But like I said, you can get started for free, so I'll have that link down below. So to start our research, I'm gonna go over to Bookbolt's cloud tool. You can start by deciding what kind of low content book you want to sell. Today I think I want to sell a journal, but you could also do a notebook, a sketchbook, a coloring page book, a coloring book, whatever you want to do. But here's the thing, you want to be really niche. You want to really call out your audience with the title of your book. So I can't just do like a journal. It needs to be more specific so that my target audience can find it on Amazon. Think a self-care journal, a high school journal, something along those lines. So for our first AI hack, I'm going to go over to ChatGPT for some inspiration. I want to make a prayer journal to sell on Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing. How can I niche down for the best results? By the way, if you want any of the prompts I'm using today, you can subscribe down below, follow me on Instagram, and DM me book, and I will send over a full list of prompts so you can just copy and paste and follow the exact same process for your book. You can use it to generate book covers like this, page covers, literally everything you need. My Instagram is linked down below. Chat told me to start off by choosing a specific audience. This can be teen girls, Christian women, couples or marriages, entrepreneurs or business owners. For me personally, I'm going to choose Christian women because I want to make a prayer journal. Number 2, it's telling me to solve a specific goal. It could be anxiety or stress, gratitude or mindfulness, forgiveness, strengthening faith, etc. I'm going to choose a prayer journal for anxiety. And number 3, combine with a secondary element. This can be coloring pages, habit tracker, sermon notes. But for me, I think I'm going to choose guided prompts because I love guided journals. Now that I have those keywords, I'm going to type them into Bookbolt. And now we can see that Amazon has analyzed all of the books on Amazon. You're gonna look for one with a lot of monthly sales, and you're gonna take that book and use it for inspiration throughout the rest of the process. For me, I always go back to this one because it gets about 500 sales a month, which is absolutely amazing. This means that this book brings in about $4,000 every single month, which is crazy. And I believe this book is so successful because of how niche it is. It says prayer journal for women, 52 week scripture guided prayer notebook for women of God. So for AI hack number 2, I'm going to say take this title and the title of my book and customize it with these keywords, and I'm going to just put in the keywords that I just got from chat. Say chat like it's my best friend. Oh, chat, like. And just like that, we have our title. You want to figure out the title of your book first because we want the title that's going to be on Amazon to be the exact same words that are on the cover. It just solves a lot of problems with uploading to Amazon and all that. And just like that, it is time for the fun part, which is create. We're gonna start off by designing the cover. So just go over to the create tab and choose Bookbolt Studio. For the dimensions, just go back to the book that you're taking inspiration from, find the dimensions of that book, and make your book like low-key the exact same dimensions. For the page count, I recommend 120 pages. It's just kind of a good middle ground. And I'm going to choose black and white interior because it is a whole lot cheaper to print. So as you can see here, the right side is the front cover and the left is the back cover. Now you can design the cover yourself, or you can do my favorite hack of this entire video, which is to have AI design the cover for you. To do this, I'm just gonna ask ChatGPT, create a book cover sized blank, the dimensions of my book, make the title prayer journal for Christian women, 52 week scripture and guided notebook to ease anxiety and strengthen faith, and make the cover aesthetic with flowers, just because that's kind of the vibe I'm going for here. Y'all, it actually turned out way better than I was expecting. Like if I saw this at the bookstore, it would be coming home with me. Like, I would purchase that, period. So I'm also gonna ask chat to make me a back cover in the same style and maybe add a comforting Bible verse. This is how it turned out. It looks literally so cute, and it's actually such a good segue for today's verse of the vid. Isaiah 41:10 says, "Fear not, for I am with you. Be not dismayed, for I am your God. I will strengthen you. Yes, I will help you. I will uphold you with my righteous right hand." No matter what battles you may face, God is always with you, and he has never left your side. Whether you struggle with anxiety, depression, problems at home, financial fears, I want to assure you that you are never alone and that nothing is too big for God. Jesus died so that we could be free from sin and from darkness and walk into abundant, joyful life with him. Romans 8:28 says he will work all things in your life for the good of those who love him. So no matter what you're facing, just keep your eyes on Jesus, let go, and let God. Now that we have our cover, it is time to customize our pages. You can click this little puzzle icon and see all of the amazing built-in options that BookBolt offers, but you guys know we got another AI hack to actually design our pages. So just go back to my girl ChatGPT, and I'm just going to use the prompt, create a journal page for this book, and paste the title of my book. Make it black and white because those are cheaper to print. Make the journal page guided with prompts like a Bible verse that brings me peace today, blank, or today's prayer, blank, where the reader can journal. Make it the same size as the cover. And once again, AI has blown me away and made an amazing journal page that we can use for our book. Then just upload that, put it on all of the pages of your book, and just like that, you have created your first ever book. I honestly plan on using ChatGPT for like all of my books from now on because this cover is just like so amazing and these pages are so amazing. Like, I don't even see a point in making it manually unless like you want to, you know, get creative and stuff, because this is a free tool, like completely free, and we're able to make things that look so professional. This has absolutely changed the game because absolutely anyone can do this. So literally, even if you have zero experience, zero graphic design experience, nothing, you can use the prompts in my prompt pack and create your book in like 15 minutes, and it'll literally look so professional. And just like that, it is time to upload. Now for BookBolt, like I said, you can't get started for free, but to download your book, you will need to upgrade to one of their paid plans. Their paid plans start at $9.99, but that becomes $7.99 if you use my code LULU20. It'll give you 20% off, and $7.99 is like the same price as like a coffee from Starbucks. It's crazy to me to think that something that is like the same price as like your daily iced coffee can literally change your life, and to make that money back, you'll only need to sell like 2 books or something. So highly recommend. And once our book is downloaded, it is time to move on to step 3, which is upload. To start, we're gonna go over to Kindle Direct Publishing, which is basically Amazon's official printing company. So when you upload something to KDP, it will upload it automatically to Amazon. Once you've created your account by putting in your email and your name, you're going to move over to create, and you can select paperback. I really recommend doing paperback just because it's so much cheaper to print. Then you can upload your book cover, so just drag and drop it in there. This will upload pretty fast. Then once it's uploaded, do the same thing with the manuscript, which are basically just the pages that are in the inside of your book. BookBolt has it all formatted for us, so it's super easy. And for AI hack number 5, you can ask ChatGPT to write your description for you. Again, it's gonna save you so much time. So the prompt I have is write an Amazon description like this, and then I pasted the description of the book I'm taking inspo from for this book, and then I pasted the title of my book. Include these keywords, and then I'm going to paste in the keywords that BookBolt gave me. And just like that, in like literally 5 seconds, ChatGPT has given me the perfect description for my book. So I'm just gonna paste it in there. Then just fill out the rest of the information based on your book. I recommend selecting English as your language, even if there's no words inside. You're going to select that it is a low content book. And make sure you select publish without an ISBN number because low content books don't need them. Now you can set your price. I really recommend just going back to BookBolt and doing the exact same price as the book you're taking inspiration from. Just makes everything super simple, and you know that people are willing to pay that price for this type of book. It just like takes all the guesswork out of it. Like if they are selling their book $400 like a month or $500 a month, obviously they've done their research, they know what they're doing, so I just do it the exact same amount of money. Now you're gonna be able to see the royalty, which is the amount of money that you're going to make. You're not gonna make the entire like $7.99. You'll probably get a smaller cut, like $3 or something like that. And I just want to encourage you guys, it's a numbers game and it will add up. Don't get discouraged because it is completely passive. So if someone bought a book from you every single day, you'd be making $3 a day for doing nothing. If 3 people bought a book from you every single day, that'd be $10 a day. If you sell like 500 books a month, like this person is, you'll make $1,500 every single month completely passively, and that's just from one book. Imagine what will happen if you do multiple books. So I just want to encourage you guys, because even though it looks like a small amount, it will add up. So while I'm waiting for my book to upload, I'm going to answer the most asked questions about the side hustle. Number 1, is BookBolt free? Like I said, you can get started for free, but it will be $7.99 with my code when you do want to download your book, but it is 100% worth it. It's an absolutely amazing tool that I absolutely love using. Next up is ChatGPT. ChatGPT free / all of the things that I did today, is that actually free to do? And surprisingly, yes, it is. I don't pay for any like ChatGPT Plus. I don't pay for any AI tools. Everything I did today, I literally just typed in chatgpt.com, signed into my account, and was able to do all of that completely for free. You won't need to pay like any money to do what we did today with ChatGPT, which is amazing. The next question is, what other books can you make with AI? The possibilities are literally endless. Something I think that is really cool is that you can actually create coloring books with ChatGPT, or honestly any AI image tool. You can just like type in like make an aesthetic, cute coloring page, or make a Bible verse coloring page with flowers, whatever you want to create, and it will actually create that like line art so that you can make coloring books. You can also have AI write like a children's story and illustrate it and also upload that to KDP, or you can go on a website. I don't know the name of like a specific website, but there is a website that exists where you can look at really old like poems that basically don't have any sort of like copyright laws attached to them, and you can do like a collection of old vintage poems or things like that and make like a little poem book. So make sure if you do that you do look it up online, like if like a certain phrase or certain poem is covered by copyright laws. But if you get the green light, then go ahead and do that. I think that is such a cute idea, and that would also probably be classified as a medium content book, which is amazing. Which leads me to my next question: what is the difference between medium content books, low content books, and just books? Well, first of all, books are just books with words, like what you think of when you think of a book, aka a textbook, a chapter book, books that have words written in them, if that makes any sense. A medium content book is something with like some sort of activity, aka a puzzle book or a coloring book or even like a guided journal. Like mine could probably be classified as a medium content book. And then last but not least are low content books, which basically means like every page is the same and it's just kind of like basic, aka a line journal or a sketchbook or something very, very simple and blank. There are advantages and disadvantages to selling both of these. Medium content books might take you a little bit longer to create because you'll have to make like different pages and stuff like that. But then also Amazon does value medium content books because it provides more value to the customer. But then again, low content books, I've heard so many success stories with people selling them and it's super easy to create. So honestly, I say just like test out different things and do whatever is calling to you and whatever your analytics on your Book Bolt tool are telling you to do. Then we have, can I self-publish a book I wrote using Book Bolt? And yes, you can. If you are a writer, I think this is such a cool thing to do. I've talked about it before on my channel, but you can upload your manuscript into Book Bolt and have Book Bolt format your book and then upload it to KDP and sell your own book or a book series or whatever you want to do. I think that's super cool because I know a lot of you guys are writers. You guys are always asking me like, how can I use my writing? And this is one of my favorite ways to do it if you do want to self-publish for cheap. Then another question that I always get is, do you need to print out the book? And even though I've answered this question a million times, I think you guys always ask because it's like literally mind-blowing, but no, you do not need to print out the book. Amazon will do it for you. This is basically the book version of print on demand. I have a couple tutorials on my channel for print on demand, which is basically the process where you can design like a hoodie or a water bottle or something like that, and the company will print it out for you and ship it to the customer. So this is the book version, and you would be surprised how successful you can be with just selling books, and they're a lot easier to create. So that's why I always say this is a good starting side hustle. Then we have, how do you get the money? AKA, do they send you a check or is it a direct deposit? KDP will pay their authors 3 different ways: check, direct deposit, or wire transfer. Checks are basically checks that show up in your mailbox. For some countries, you won't have the option to do direct deposit, so checks will be your go-to, and it is an amazing option. It's super classic. Everybody loves a good check. Then we have wire transfer, which is basically like a slower version of direct deposit. It's kind of confusing, but I basically recommend do direct deposit, and if you can't do direct deposit, then do check or wire transfer. The next question is, do you need a credit card? And you will need a credit card to sign up for Book Bolt, but that is it. Do I need a bank account? Yes, you will need a bank account because you need the money to be able to be transferred into your account, but that's super easy to set up. And like I've said before, if you're a teen, you can actually set up a bank account under your parents' name. So it's like super easy. You literally just like walk into the bank with them and they will make it super easy to set up a bank account for you. I did this when I was like 13, and that's how I was able to start all my online side hustles. Next question is, does it work on mobile? And unfortunately, no, it does not work on mobile, but if you have a laptop or a computer, then you can do this side hustle. You can even do it on like your parents' computer if you don't have one, but unfortunately as of right now you can't do it on a phone. I'm sorry. Actually, I'm not gonna apologize. That was my New Year's resolution. I'm not gonna apologize for things I didn't do, period. And just like that, our book is uploaded, so just wait 72 hours for Amazon to approve it, and then it will be available on Amazon. After that, there's literally nothing else to do. There is the optional step of marketing. I made a video a couple weeks ago about how to start your own business, and so in that video I go in depth into all the different ways you can market. So I really recommend recommend you check that out. I will have it linked down below. So you can use all of those marketing methods to market your book. I really recommend just like promoting your book on social media. It will help get more people to your book. And I also recommend making as many books as possible, because the more books you have on Amazon, the more chances someone will find your book, like your book, and purchase your book. Don't forget to subscribe down below. Follow me on Instagram and DM me book to get all the prompts so that you could do this exact process yourself. I love you guys so much. God bless you, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!